I feel really powerful actually making this right now. Giant piece of beef. This is Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen, and I'm your new host, Emily Johnson. I'm not a chef, I don't work in the dining department, but I love to cook, and today we're gonna make John Manion's beef tenderloin with chimichurri sauce. You should invite all your meat-loving friends over because this is a feast. All right, let's get started making this chimichurri. We're gonna add 3 cups of Italian flat leaf parsley into the food processor. It's 3 bunches of parsley. My favorite of the herbs, makes everything taste fresh and kind of lemony. Can't find flat leaf, you could use curly. And we're gonna add 6 cloves of garlic into the food processor, along with 1 1/2 teaspoons of fresh oregano leaves. I'm gonna mix these guys up. All right, that was easy. Now we're gonna add this mixture to a bowl of some sort. And to this, we're going to add 1/4 cup of white distilled vinegar, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 bay leaf. We're gonna stir that together. So green. And to this mixture, we're going to add 3/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Try and stir and add at the same time if possible. All right, so we're gonna mix this up, put a lid on it, and put it in the fridge for 12 to 24 hours. All right, it's time to flavor up this big boy of beef here, our 3-pound beef tenderloin. We are gonna liberally cover it in kosher salt and black pepper. A little bit of spice is nice. I feel really powerful actually making this right now. Giant piece of beef. Probably should invite a bunch of your friends over when you're cooking this up. And now we're going to massage it with very good quality extra virgin olive oil, so you want to make sure you don't skimp out on this olive oil. I don't know, massaging the meat. This is very strange. This feels a little like wrong. All right, this guy is nice and relaxed, so it's time to roast. Throw this guy in the roasting pan. I've had my oven preheating to 475. Put the beef tenderloin in there for 25 to 30 minutes. I think I just burned half my face off, but all right, so we are gonna check the temp. We're looking for 120 degrees if you like rare. I personally prefer medium rare, so we're gonna go 125 in the thickest part of the meat. I definitely think we got a ways to go. It is about 110 right now, so I'm gonna put it back in the oven for 5 minutes and check back soon. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, we are definitely done. Take this guy out of the rack, put our chimichurri on top. It's like a meat log. And we're gonna use some scissors to remove the string. One more. Okay, now we're gonna slather the beef tenderloin with our chimichurri sauce, which has been in the fridge for overnight. Add some color. The garlic should add a lot of good flavor. We got some red chili flakes in here to make it extra spicy. And we're gonna let this rest now for 15 minutes until we slice it up and serve it. Let's see how it's doing. I am slightly terrified that I overcooked the beef tenderloin. Woo! Nailed it! Maybe a little overdone, but this side looks better, trust me. Woo! It's pink. We're just gonna slice it into pieces, and we're gonna serve it on a really just beautiful white platters. I am very proud of myself. It looks very juicy. This will just be our snacks, the video crew snacks. So you have your really pretty meat. We're gonna finish it off with more chimichurri. Chimichurri. Woo. This looks very festive. I think it's time to eat the meat. This is incredibly tender. Don't even really need a knife. I love this chimichurri sauce. It adds so much flavor to the meat. It's super bright with the vinegar and the parsley. We have a little bit of heat with the red pepper flake and the garlic. And I think it just completely adds to the delicious tenderness of the tenderloin. Tenderness of the tenderloin. Makes sense.